Hello everyone, this is Mohammed from Python Ninja YouTube channel, and today we will deepen and smoothen at the same time our skills in practicing loop and what we learned so far in Python by highlighting this advanced exercise which is countdown timer. We will learn together how can we build our own countdown. We will learn together how can we build our own countdown timer. So today's tutorial about writing a Python program that prompts the user to enter a number of seconds. So the user will submit a number of seconds like 10, 20. Thereafter, based on that numbers, a setup of a countdown timer will take place. For example, what the meaning of the countdown, meaning that if the user submit 10 seconds, then the counter will be 10, 9, 8, 7, till reaching to 0. And this is the given format of the countdown timer. We will start from the top to the bottom. Now, let's start to code this exercise. We want to prompt the user to enter a number of seconds, and this can be done using input function. Let us to say time in second, okay, and this will be integer, okay, and this integer will be an input in cast into integer, enter, okay, your time in second, and this is the first thing we want to do. Let's practice this. Let's run this one, and yeah, if I enter 10, it's executed. Okay, we learned together in one of these tutorials how can we iterate reversely. So for example, every time we iterate, I can say for example, this is for example for I in range, okay, 10, what I want to do, I want to print I. Let's see how can we iterate over this. Sorry, I have to enter 10 here. Yeah, we printed this from 0 to 9. But if I can say it like this, I want to go to this one, and I want to move, okay, reversely. Let's see how it will be executed. It will go from the top to the bottom, from the highest value to the lowest value. This is like reverse iteration. So for I in range, the time of second, if the user enter 10, 20, whatever, that's valid. And we want to move, because we need countdown from the highest second to the lowest one, we have to use this reverse, and we learn together how can we do reverse iteration. Please, for the people who started from the middle, go and watch this series of tutorials from the beginning to be aligned with us. Now, we also learn together, okay, about modulus function in Python. If you use PyCharm and you come here in the Python console, you can do any mathematical operation. For modulus, we use this sign, and for example, we will use 60, okay, as the base for our second extracting, because you know 1 minute is 60 seconds. If I want to use the modulus of 1 over 60, it will be 1. If I want to use 55, okay, the modulus of 55 over 60, it will be 55. But if I use also 61, okay, the modulus of 61 over 60, this will be 1, not 61, okay? So we learned that the modulus is nothing but it divide the number into equal set. Now I want to divide this 61 into 60 equal into sets, and each set contains 60. So I can do only 160, and the remainder will be 1. This is the like intuition behind this modulo, which gives the remainder of the division. Okay, now let's back to our exercise. So for any number, I can extract the modulo, okay, and we will express our second like this. Okay, second. Okay, our seconds will be this variable. Okay, because we want to loop from the beginning. For example, if I have 10 seconds, then 10, we will start from 10, then go to 9, then 8, and for this 10, let's start from 10. Okay, 10 modulo 60, this will give me 10, which is okay for me. I want to go 10. In the second iteration, 10, because we move reversely, 10 will be 9, okay? And we have 9 modulo 60 will give me 9, okay? And till the end of this sequence, let us to see what we can print or what we can take of this. Print, I want to print this pattern, okay? I want to 0, 0, now 0, 0, this is for hours, this is for minutes. And I want to open a placeholder, and I want to put this second. We learned together also in a previous tutorial that in Python we have format specifiers. This format specifier is used within the f string to better visualize the result to the user. Please go to the format specifier tutorial and see why I use, or look why I use 02. In general, I use 02 to pad only to because I don't need to show to you the reminder of the division or the modulus 10 modulus 9, for example, over 60 will be 9, but I want to add 0 value before that. Okay, so this will add 0 before each single number because I want to save the same format here. Okay, so let's try this. We will enter the, for example, 20 seconds, and yes, we have now start counting down from 20 and 19, 18, 17, 16 till reaching to 0 second because I used -1. If I use 0 here, it will stop at 1. Okay, now I want to show some functionality here and reflect to the user that this is exact timer. I described also in one of the tutorial about the time module. So I want to import time. Okay, time is a module in Python that contains some functions we can use. What this module will or can help me is to use a method is called sleep. After printing this one, I want to take this program to be relaxed, or the execution to be relaxed, to show to you that we work in a time frame. Let's see this one. We have the 20, and you can see this is the counter that count down from 20 till reaching 0, and this has been created because we use a sleep function. Okay, that's for seconds. What's about minutes? Okay, let's go for Python console. Okay, suppose I have 70 seconds. Okay, 70 seconds. Okay, then if I divide them, this is not modular, this is the normal division, by 60, what I will have 1.16. Okay, but it's not like good practice, or this will not be good expression to the user, because the user want to see like integer value. For example, instead of seeing 1.6 hour, 1.16 hour, I want to see 1 hour. Okay, and the reminder will go for the second. So if I can say integer of 70 over 60, this will give me what? This will give me the integer value, which is 1. Okay, that's good. But if I use this quantity, okay, by like this, and then I append modulus 60, this will give me 1 hour. Then we can say for the minutes, we can implement like this. Minutes will be integer, okay, of integer of what? Integer of this I divided by 60 modulus 60, okay, because we want to divide each minute into 60 seconds, okay. And yeah, we finished now for this minute, this minutes. And let's try, or let's practice this one, and let's move this here. No, I don't need to use integers. This one, sorry, integer, okay. And I want here to use this one, and I want to move the sleep function, not that one. So I have seconds, I have here minutes. So I want to also inject these minutes in a placeholder here, so I can visualize this to the user also. Let's practice this. I have 70 seconds. Yeah, this is 70 seconds is 1 hour, and this going like down. Okay, we can see here we start 70 seconds is 1 hour plus 10 seconds. Then in the second iteration we'll go to 9, 8, 7, blah blah. Let us see finally hours. Okay, the hours will be integer, but for our the task is very easy, because if we consider 60 minutes multiplied by 60 seconds, this will give us a number that is represent 1 hour, that represent 1 hour, but we consider the integer of this quantity. Okay, then 60 multiplied by 60, because 1 hour equals 60 minutes and each minute equals 60 seconds. Then we use 60 by 60 here. Okay, and finally we close our exercise by printing to the users even the hours. Okay, so open up placeholder here, guys. It's important to turn your logic out here, or to think for each exercise or for any exercise logically, and that will give you a chance to practice coding with less effort. Let us practice this one. We tested with 70 seconds, and what I want to test of, for example, this number of seconds, this will be 8 hours, and yeah, this is the countdown timer. I hope, guys, you precisely repeat this tutorial, and just commit yourself every day to follow these tutorials. And as what I promised before, I will smoothen your skills till feeling confident. And please share these videos among or tutorials to the individual who want to learn and practice Python in a more comprehensive way, and subscribe to this channel.